Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. There was a request for acupressure point for halitosis, but there's no acupressure points that makes the bad breath go away like on and off magic button. Halitosis is caused by something and you need to look at that something that's causing halitosis. So the bad breath can be caused by a food stuck between your teeth or tooth decay, or what's left on your tongue, or it could be coming from indigestion or poor stomach health. Another cause of halitosis is dry mouth. Dry mouth can be caused by aging, stress, and certain medications. So I'm going to show you an acupressure point and how you can massage to produce more saliva, which helps you to keep your mouth moist and clean. Saliva also helps to dissolve food and swallow, and it's antibacterial. Hopefully, more saliva production will help you with halitosis you have, but if it's coming from dental issue or digestive issue, you have to go see a dentist or a doctor. Let's start with the acupressure point. The first one is called Conception Vessel 23 or CV23. It's one thumb width over the Adam's apple and at the slight depression at the upper border of hyoid bone. So here's Adam's apple, hyoid bone, and slight depression. Press this point for 30 seconds as you breathe deeply. Since it's by the throat, don't press too hard. Now the massage to produce more saliva. There are 3 salivary glands: parotid glands by the ears, submandibular gland under the jawbone, and sublingual gland under the tongue. To activate the parotid glands, put your hands in front of the ears and gently circle 5 times. I have seen instructions to circle both forward and backward, so I don't think it matters which direction. But you will notice just by putting your hands on your cheeks, it produces saliva. It's a thin, watery saliva that helps with digestion. Next, to activate the submandibular gland, which is a U-shaped gland under the jawbone or mandible, gently press the soft part below the jawbone with your thumbs upward. Do this on 3 or 4 locations between the ear and chin on both sides. Again, you will notice saliva production in your mouth. It's the thicker saliva with a mixture of thin saliva for digestion and antibacterial thick saliva. Lastly, to activate the sublingual gland, put your thumbs together and gently press the tongue upwards 5 times. Press the area between the chin and throat. You will not feel much when you press up, but when you let go, you will feel your tongue was pressed against the roof of your mouth. When you press here, you will notice a thick antibacterial saliva production. Besides acupressure point and massage, oral hygiene is a must. And also hydration is a must because saliva is 98% water. So drink lots of water. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.